Alright guys, welcome back to SoundSkins. So, for the past 6 months, you might have noticed we've been a little bit quiet on our social media, but we've been hard at work behind the scenes, improving our product and creating a whole new product range for you guys out there. And we are releasing that this week in the North America, in United States and Canada, and in Australia. And we actually have the stock ready to go. It will be launched on our website, SoundSkins Global, this week. And we're going to be running you through on our YouTube channel this whole new product range and also some improvements we've made to our SoundSkins Pro, which is our bestseller worldwide. We've actually gone and improved the formula for this. We've improved the manufacture method and also a couple of things around the box and also the way we do the backing sheets and a few other things. So we're actually going to run you through how we improve this on our YouTube channel. And I think you're going to love it, guys. We listened to the dealers worldwide on what they wanted. We increased the temperature rating on these things, a whole heap of new changes, and really the quality on this, I reckon, is almost twice as good as it was previously. So if you loved it before, you're really going to love it now. We have some new things like this new bulk workshop roll that we're actually introducing, and also a classic bulk kit, as well as, for the first time ever in the United States, we are releasing our SoundSkins ring kit. This is the third version we have ever created of this, and it was never available in North America before, but this is actually going to be released this week as well. And like I said, the good news is all of this will now be in stock in North America and Australia. So come with me now and we'll check it out and we'll show you some of the improvements we've made. Let's check this out now, guys. So this is the Pro, and I'm going to show you some of the things we've actually improved on this Pro series. This is actually our bestseller worldwide. This is the 3-in-1 material that has the acoustic foam on it, and it has that rubber butyl in it as well. So, first up, guys, you're going to notice we've actually improved this box to be a little bit better. We now have an air hole on the side of this. It's only a small change, but it allows you to bring this lid on and off quite easily because it allows the air to come out that is trapped in it. You won't get this small little gap that we previously had on some of the old boxes. So we just focused on some of the little things there on the actual box itself. The quality is unbelievable, and we kept it in these tubes. We revisited looking at a different style for you guys, but everyone loved the tubes, so we kept that for everyone. We did do a survey to see what people preferred. But look, guys, the main thing is we've really improved the quality of the material itself, and I mean, I'm absolutely blown away by how this has turned out. We've actually spent a lot of time with our new manufacturer. We're actually producing this in a whole new manufacturer. We're not using hand laying methods anymore. We're using machine laying methods. We are creating the ingredients ourselves straight from scratch. So we order the powders that we need to make the rubber butyl, and we actually formulate it ourselves in our warehouse, in our factory now. There is no fillers in it. I think previously some of our old material did have fillers in it. It didn't cause any of an issue, but there was, like I mentioned, one small batch where we did have an issue, which we pulled from the shelves. This is never going to have this problem because we independently tested it. So, first up, guys, this is how it's actually going to come out of the rolls now. We actually wind this a different direction. So we actually wind it with the material facing inwards just to stop the creasing. But you will notice on all our new materials, we actually have this nice new white backing paper. It actually has our website on it, so you do know this is the new series that we have released. And it's going to be taped up here. It does have a little bit of tape that holds it in the spot. And you can actually peel that off really easily. Doesn't matter if it tears the backing plate. But another improvement we made, we actually included in the center of these spirals a little cardboard roll. And that's for a lot of you guys that are working in a garage or in the back of your shed, or if you do have it in a workshop, you can actually hang this now and you can roll it off because it does come in the large sheets, which everyone wanted, okay? So this sheet is 1/2 meter by 2 meters long, okay, which is about 1 square meter, which is 11 square foot for you guys in North America with the Imperial. It is 19.6 inches by 79 inches long, so 19 inches high. It is still the same thickness we ever had. We haven't changed anything in regards to the thickness of the material, and also the foam is still a closed cell rubber foam, so it does make it waterproof. Okay, so that is still the same process we always had. Now, a couple little things we did here. We improved the spacing on all our logos, but we also changed the print on our logos to also include our registered trademark now. and it is a white logo now instead of previously it was a little silver tinge. We decided the white looked a little bit cleaner and it made it look nicer in the vehicles that we were using this on. So guys, that is some of the improvements we've made, but we've also, like we said, we actually lay out the foam onto the rubber butyl. So there is a rubber butyl, a foil and a foam included in the Pro Series, and we actually layer that on via machine now, and it is actually cut by machine as well. So you actually see these very nice cuts across the edges now because it is machine cut, and we actually had to improve the machines that we were using and make larger ones in order to do that. So there's some of the improvements that we actually made to the Pro Series material, and I think you're really going to love that, guys. But that was, you know, 6 months in the making. We've been testing that to make sure that the quality is of the highest standard for all you guys out there. We didn't want you to get anything that was inferior. And a couple of the cool things that we've done, we also listened to you guys out there, and we did make a workshop roll. And I'm going to talk about that quickly, and we might cut this into a separate video, or we might keep it in part of this video for you guys. But we do have this, which is the new Pro Plus series, and we're going to talk about that right now as well.